Yo, what's up guys? Today I've got a crazy unboxing for you guys from Askick. We've got the Louis Vuitton Maxi trainers in hand from them. Make sure to check them out as well as using my coupon code, which is Tommy. You'll get $20 off if you use my coupon code, so make sure to use it. Make sure to check my Instagram and TikTok. I post every day. So now let's get straight into the video. As you can see, we have the box right here. Now I'm going to open the box. You also get the wrapping paper as well as the two dust bags which it comes in, just like retail. As you can see, the shoes are 1-to-1, which basically means they are the same as retail. As you can see, they did a great job on the stitching as well as the leather. They also come with a receipt, which is very cool. It also comes with all these leathers. It's not very important, but it's still very cool to see. Big shout out to Askick for sending these shoes over for review. I'll put a link in the description for you to buy as well. When you use my coupon code, you get a $20 discount, so make sure to use it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment what you think of them. And I will see you guys in the next video.